Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to utilize the Quick Clicks pane in PracticeMaster. Quick Clicks provides convenient access to features available in each file. The Quick Clicks pane can be set to auto-hide by unpinning the pane. When hidden, you just need to hover over the button to access its features. Quick Clicks is organized into collapsible groups and can be accessed on List tabs, Editor windows, and Matter Manager. Options vary depending on where you are in the software. The Take Action group is available in all files and includes options to quickly access information and features related to the file that you're working with. This section includes actions like generating a document, viewing the client's calendar, or sending an email. Additionally, you can access the Display History feature, which shows any additions or changes to the highlighted record. Another helpful tool in Take Actions is the Find and Replace function. From the List tab, you can find and optionally replace any information based on your selected criteria. This can be helpful when you need to update information for multiple clients, contacts, or transactions at the same time. Next, the Report group allows you to quickly print the information in the highlighted record or access related reports, like the Contact Usage Report. The Workflow group can be used to launch a workflow based on the selected record. Workflows automate one or more tasks simultaneously, such as starting a client letter and sending an email, and they can be customized to fit your firm's needs. For more information about workflows, check out Knowledge Base article R11307, all about workflows. From the Filter group, you can easily filter the displayed records based on your criteria. For example, you could create a filter to show only clients for a specific timekeeper, or filter information by area of practice or billing category. You can sort any displayed column by clicking the column header in the list or by selecting an index in the Sort By group. The Column Layout group determines what columns are displayed by default when viewing a particular file, and new layouts can easily be created. Quick views are unique in that they combine a filter, column layout, and default sort, providing the freedom to quickly move between different information within the same file, depending on what you need to see. Quick views can optionally be displayed as tabs across the top of the list. In addition, Smart tabs can be displayed at the bottom of the list to help you filter information even further. For example, if I have a quick view that filters my clients by area of practice, I can use the Smart tabs to only see business law clients. The Customize Current View group allows you to change how the List tab is displayed for each file, including row color preferences and what pages are displayed throughout the selected file. To add or edit a workflow, quick view, filter, or column layout, select the Manage section associated with each group, or use the Manage Quick Clicks option to access all areas at once. From the Manage Quick Clicks menu, not only can you access and edit each individual option displayed in the various groups, but you can click and drag the groups themselves to create a new order depending on your preferences. Note that changes to the Quick Clicks are stored separately for each user, so while some filters, column layouts, quick views, and workflows might be the same between users, the options shown can be reordered, hidden, and customized for the way that you use them. And that's all it takes to use and manage Quick Clicks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.